is Favor. Welcome to my channel. It's our Fenwick Life. I am so excited to be a part of this box collab. There are 6 channels doing this box collab this month for November or for fall, and I'm very excited about it. The channels that are participating, of course, is Christy with Georgia Sunshine, Terry with Southern Yankee, Yvette with the Yvetterine channel. Yvette is so sweet and who I swapped with. Patty with Life on Lemon, and Gina, who sent me a box, Gina Schwepp. We're all participating in this, and all of us are going live about right now with our videos, and it's going to be so much fun. I hope that you will join all the other channels and watch them as well and see what we all sent to each other for this fall collab. The theme is just a fall theme or thankful theme. You know, it's that time of year that we should all be thankful and grateful and appreciative, and a lot of us feast on lots of tasty treats. It's that time of year. So Gina Schwepp sent me my box. Oh, it's so heavy. Oh, my goodness, it's so heavy. She is a new friend. I had not watched her channel before, and so if you haven't watched her, I encourage you to go watch her as well. She does Dollar Tree hauls, budget friendly fashion hauls, which have really been good. I mean, she, like, recently she did a Stitchfix, buying the items that she would receive at Stitchfix from some, anyway, it was a really good video. I encourage you to go check it out. She does cleaning videos, coupons and deals, and of course hauls. And she has little ones, and they're so adorable, and they remind me of my little ones when they were little. They're so cute. Anyway, so I hope that you'll go check her out, and I hope that you'll check all the other channels out. I'll leave everything listed below, a playlist down below, or each individual channel listed below, so that you can easily go and pop on over to the next one. And I hope you'll let them know that I sent you. And also, if you're coming from one of those other channels, I'd like to welcome you. Thank you for coming by. I hope that you'll subscribe. I hope you'll stick around. I am primarily a travel channel. We do a lot of cruises, a lot of land vacations, things like that, and we vlog all of it. But I also do a lot of unboxings, and we have weekly vlogs. We'll be doing Vlogmas coming up. We'll be doing the 12 days of Vlogmas because the first week of December, I will be on a cruise ship, the Norwegian Bliss. So there you go. And right now we're airing our Carnival Vista vlog series. That's just starting. It just uploaded. So I hope you'll check it out and stick around and become a member of our little family here. Alrighty. Oh my goodness. Oh, how cute. You see this? Oh my goodness, it is chock full. You know what? There are some really creative women in this group because their boxes are all so cute. And the one I sent Yvette, I'm not that creative with that kind of thing. I wish I had been. Anyway, okay, so, oh, P.S. I love your channel. Oh, thank you, Gina. I love yours too. And your kids are adorable. Look at that. How sweet. Aww. Favor, have a fantastic Thanksgiving. Bon voyage, XOXO Gina. Hope your whole bunch will have a whole bunch of good times this Thanksgiving. That is so sweet. Aww. And then here's a note. Let's see. I had so much fun shopping for you. I wanted to play on your love for traveling. Use the L'Oreal scrub on your next tropical voyage. Gina Schwepp. She's so sweet. Oh my goodness. I'm so excited. Okay, so. See, they put little notes on everything. I am not that clever. Oh, there's notes on the back. Because you have dogs, I love your passion for traveling. Oh, I love this paper too. It's like Christmas, not Thanksgiving. oh, is it gonna make me cry? Probably. Oh, that is so cute. And look, let's run away. Look, you guys know, if you watch me, you know I've been looking for pieces for this wall back here. And this is not only perfect for us, but the perfect color. Look at that. Oh, how sweet. See, this is my art from Georgia Sunshine from our last collab. It was like perfect. Oh, look, now I get to add to my collection. Oh, I love that. Okay, I love that. I love that. That's adorable. Thank you so much. And these are Garnier Skin Active Moisture Bomb Sheet Mask. Ooh, yes. I am just getting into sheet masks. Ooh, nice. Ooh, there's 2 of them. Nice. And we're gonna start like in January doing some masking on the channel. I know Georgia Sunshine does some of that. Oh, nice. Super hydrating mask, anti-fatigue. Oh, yes, please. All right. For your fur babies. Oh my goodness. Ah! How sweet. Oh my goodness. Barkin' Bars, pumpkin and peanut butter flavored artisan dog treats, and Greenies flavor fusion. Whoops! I'm throwing things everywhere. That is so sweet. Oh, my fur babies will much, much, much appreciate this. Thank you so much. Oh, it's so sweet of you to remember them. Thank you. Remember them, to think of them. Thank you so much. Ooh, look at this. What a cool mug. Oh, this is really cool. Look at that. You see the designs on there? It's like a relief in their palm trees, little tropical scenes. How awesome. Yeah, perfect for us. Oh, that is awesome. And coffee, of course, you know, because I love me some coffee. Excellent. Oh my goodness. Oh no. Oh, it broke. Oh. Well, I might be able to. Oh no. Well, that happens with, you know, post-service. Oh. But you know what? I can probably fix this and use it for my brushes. Home is where your dog is. Oh, that's not perfect for us. Oh, that is absolutely perfect for us. Oh my goodness, I love that. Yes, I can fix this, totally fix this very easily, and I can use it to hold my brushes. I use a coffee mug to hold my brushes, and I kind of change them out seasonally because, you know, that's who I am. This is perfect. Oh, how sweet. Oh, let me stay right there. Let me put this little extra piece right there. Oh my goodness, because you like Grove too. I do like Grove. Yep. I think we all love Grove. Oh, ooh, what is this one? Oh, I couldn't get this set. Oh, that is so awesome. I missed the pre-order on this one. Oh, that's awesome. You're so sweet. Thank you so much. It's peppermint. The Mrs. Myers peppermint. Oh my goodness, I love that. Absolutely love that. That is holidays in a little soap dispenser. Look at that. Oh, that's awesome. Oh my goodness, what a great little box. That's so awesome. Thank you. Oh. Ooh, mascara. Full Lash Bloom Lash Blast from CoverGirl. Awesome. Perfect Point Plus. Self-sharpening eye pencil. Nice. Very black. And water resistant. Perfect for me. There you go. Nice. Thank you so much. Girl, I can never have too much mascara and eyeliner. Because, you know. Ooh, this is perfect. I wanted to try this one too. Oh, nice. Thank you. That's awesome. Oh my goodness. There is so much stuff in here. Because you have tons of cats. I do. Yes. Oh. This is so cute. Yep, I do. Perfect. That is so, so cute. Look at that. I love cats. I do love cats. Perfect. Thank you so much. Oh my goodness, I love it. It's so funny. Yeah, I surprise people with our cats. Ooh, pure sugar scrub. Smooth and glow. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Nice. Look at that. Is it nice? Excellent. I've not seen this before. Naturally derived blend of 3 pure sugars are paired with finely ground acai, nutrient-rich grapeseed and monoi oils. This ultra soft sugar scrub is truly kind to your skin. Nice. Oh, that smells good. And that's the thing. They're so gentle. They're gentle but effective. And I really like them. This is going to be awesome. And it's time for me to exfoliate my face and my lips. So that's perfect. Especially this time of year. You know, it starts getting cold. That'll be awesome. Oh, what is in here? What is this? That's so awesome for your next cruise. You know what? I was actually gonna pick one of these up. This is awesome. These are great to put in your little cabinet, your little closet in your cabin for your dirty clothes. And they're open because a lot of times on a cruise, your clothes are damp or wet. So this way it ensures they don't get, you know, mildew or moldy. This is awesome. Thank you so much. That is perfect. Now I don't have to go get one. Ha! Check that off my list. That is awesome. Oh wait, what is this? Oh my goodness. Look how cute. Oh. Sassy and Chic cosmetic case. Really? Oh, how cute. Oh, there's tons of stuff in here. 1 minute hair mask. Oh, nice. And it's travel size. Oh, that's awesome. There, Mitchum. Ah, nice. 48 hour. Oh, oh gosh, that smells lovely. Deodorant to travel. This whole little thing is packed full. And one for Rob. That is so sweet. Oh, that is so sweet. Cetaphil. That's really good stuff. And for your treat. Oh no. She stuffed that kind in there. Oh. This is so awesome. California. You guys, I collect Starbucks ornaments. How did you know that? I mean, you had to go way back to know that. That is so awesome. Thank you so much. Oh my goodness. That is so awesome. And nice in this little travel case. This is perfect. Perfect for traveling. Nice and compact. Oh my goodness. This is so amazing. You guys, we had a budget. There is no way. I don't know how she stuck to that budget with this. Oh, Shea Moisture wipes. Daily hydration facial wipes. Oh, coconut oil moisturize. Yeah, of course. Facial wipes are always awesome. That is amazing. Thank you so much. Goodness. Optic white toothpaste. Nice. Oh, I love that. High impact white. Wait, what are you telling me? No, I'm kidding. An express white. Nice. I actually really like this toothpaste. I like this one and the one for sensitive teeth, and then the ones from Grove. This is fantastic. These will definitely be used up in this house. I go through toothpaste like crazy. Little obsessed with it. To keep your itinerary straight. What is this? Oh my goodness. Oh, how cute. Look at the stickers. Ooh, a planner. Ooh. Oh, look at that. A nice little journal. That's excellent because I do journal when we're traveling, especially because I vlog. And so I keep track of what we're doing that day, what I've videoed, that kind of thing. You have to, otherwise you forget. Look at these stickers. Oh, I love planner stickers. Really, truly, I do. Oh my goodness. Look, they're so cute. Oh my goodness. And then the little planner. Oh, this is nice. Oh, this is perfect. It really is. I actually am a very simple planner person. I like them nice and straight like this. No extra stuff and just enough room for me to put my sticker so I remember the date. That is awesome. Oh, that's excellent. Thank you. Oh my goodness. I wanted to make you something with your favorite colors. What? You made something? Oh my goodness. I am not creative. All you creative ladies. Oh, look at that. See, it's perfect. Look at the colors. Oh, you can see my light. Let's turn it that way. Oh my goodness, look. It's like perfect. Oh, thank you so much. Oh my goodness. Well, I don't need to buy anything for my wall anymore. somehow we reached the bottom of this box. What an amazing exchange. Gina, that is so sweet. Thank you so, so much. You just like put me in a box right here. That's so awesome. Oh, you guys go check out her channel. Of course, check out all the channels, but please go check out Gina's channel so you can see what she got from whom she exchanged with. This is so, so much fun. I hope that we keep growing this and we can keep doing this and seasonally and have lots of fun with lots of different channels. It's really, really a lot of fun. And it's such it makes you feel so special. Really, I feel so special right now. Thank you so much, Gina. This is awesome. Really, really is awesome. Oh my goodness. It's like Christmas, seriously. Awesome. Yeah, I told you she's really good at finding bargains, so and deals and things like that, and she posts them on her channel. So yeah, I've been watching. I'm learning. Awesome. Yes. Thank you so much, Gina. I really, really, really appreciate it. And I also appreciate you watching. I hope that you'll subscribe if you're new. And if you're one of our tried and true, as Georgia Sunshine says, subscribers, I appreciate you sticking around and watching as always. So everything will be linked below. All the other channels will be linked below. I am going to sign off now and go have a little mask time. So thank you so much for watching, and we will see you next time. Bye.
You have. No, sit. Did you get cookies from a friend? Did somebody send you cookies? Sit. Say thank you, Miss Gina. We really appreciate it. Thank you. We're gonna have a cookie. Easy. Easy. Good boy. Easy. Was that a good cookie? Was that good? Mommy, get more. Okay. Sit. Good boy. Down. Good boy. Good girl. That's my babies. Well, I think the treats were successful.